The lighthearted, colorful architecture of Carabanchel Alto, as discussed in my previous video, adds a lot to the neighborhood in my opinion. However, there's one glaring exception, which is the topic of this video. Some background first. From the 1940s to the late 90s, Carabanchel was home to one of the largest prisons in Europe. It was notorious for holding many political prisoners during Franco's dictatorship. As you can see, it was a sprawling, imposing, intimidating structure. Some wanted to keep the center tower as a type of memorial, but in the end it was decided to tear the place down to the ground. Only one small entrance gate was left standing. But wait, what's this in the background? Is it a circus? The cone sure looks like a clown's hat. And those festive blue and white roofs? How fun! Well, it's actually a police headquarters. It's where they do most of the immigration paperwork. I myself have stood in that line to renew my residency card. It may look fun, but it's not. If you happen to be in the country illegally and they catch you, this is where they detain you. So it's actually a prison as well. Sure, you're awaiting deportation, but at least the building has a clown hat on top of it. Going from this to this seems a bit overcompensating, a bit too friendly. It's too late now, but here's what I would have done. I would have kept the old prison, but put a nice friendly Cuerpo Nacional de Policía baseball hat on top. Bam! Everybody's happy.